Well, this is my XT 250. It's a 2013 model with the fuel injected. These are the modifications I've made to it so far. Most of the parts were bits and pieces were bought off eBay, with a few local pieces. Starting off first was the mirrors I changed, and they folded in a way out in the bush. Going around to the bark busters, they're a good solid one. They were only a generic one, again off eBay. I think they worked out to about $40 Australian. And then coming around, now have the windscreen. It's approximately 8 inches it's sitting up, and that's by Screens for Bikes, an Australian company. Great service, very quick, and they're available in a few different colours and things to match your bike. Mounted off here on the stem for the mirror is the little bracket here, and mounted with the ram mount and my E-Tracks, and again a ram mount for the phone, and the GoPro remote is just velcroed around. Everything's nice and even and tidy there. And coming down, I also have direct to the battery, when I get the cover off, the USB waterproof charging port there, so it makes quite a good little dash for the whole thing. Tank bag, I've just connected down and under, and on one strap under the bottom, and that was about $30 again off eBay. Coming back to B&B Enterprises, that's the aluminium rear rack. I had this one done in black, which was an option for an extra $10. And then coming down, I've got the extended foot pegs. Makes a hell of a difference when you're standing on the bike. And then coming around, also put in a skid plate off eBay again. I love that place. It's stainless steel, came with the bolts. Took me about 15 minutes to attach, no mucking around. It's a good solid piece of equipment. So that's my modifications. I think it'll just about do me. Spent a few dollars, and as you can see the screen there. So very happy with the overall effect. I hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching.